I'm going to show you guys how to make an awesome mosquito and gnat repellent that does not have citronella. This is safe for dogs, babies, all the way up to elderly. I wouldn't put it on cats though, but it is safe for dogs and horses. So my secret is vanilla. Vanilla actually also is a deterrent for bees, believe it or not. Even though it has that sweet smell, it will deter bees. So I use the clear vanilla from Mexico because it doesn't stain your clothing. If you want to use a homemade vanilla, go for it. I just use this because it doesn't stain your clothing. You have to make sure that the vanilla you use though doesn't have any sweeteners in it, because that was my husband's phone. I did not fart. You have to make sure it doesn't have any sugar in it. And a lot of these imitation vanillas have some kind of sweetener or sugar in it, because if you use those, it's actually going to attract mosquitoes, gnats, and bees. So just make sure that whichever vanilla you use is unsweetened. So this is we're going camping, so I'm going to be making some large containers to take with us. This is typically my recipe is for a 10-ounce bottle where you use 4 ounces of vanilla, 6 ounces of water, 8 drops of peppermint, and 8 drops of ylang ylang essential oils. I am going to triple the recipe for this size of bottle. But before we get started, this is the brand of essential oils that I really love. They are a very high quality, non-MLM essential oil company that does the same quality control testing as Young Living and doTERRA. It even has the milligram per drop on the back of the bottle, and they're safe to be ingested. So the thing I like about this mosquito repellent is if your kid gets a hold of the bottle and squirts it in their mouth, it is totally okay to be ingested. They're not gonna love it, so you don't have to worry about them drinking the bottle, but it is safe to be ingested. I know that my kids, when they were little and they saw a spray bottle, they would always like squirt it in their mouth, regardless of what was in it. So if you make this at home, it is safe to be ingested. They're not gonna want to, it's not gonna taste good, but if they squirt it in their mouth, it's okay. So to get started, I have already 12 ounces of vanilla in this, and so I'm just gonna put it in here. And then, since I'm tripling the recipe, it's gonna be 8 times 3 is 24, so let's go. Now we're gonna do ylang ylang. Love it. We're gonna do 24. And so then now I'm just going to fill the remainder of the bottle with, this is filtered alkaline water. Ah. And that's it. I don't use glycerin in these because I found it to leave a sticky residue, and I didn't like that. I didn't like the way it made my skin feel. So before each use, you do need to shake it up because the oil is obviously going to rise to the top. If you don't mind the way that glycerin feels, vegetable glycerin, you can put some in here just to keep the oil suspended in the water. But I personally didn't like it. My kids have sensory issues and so do I. So we just use the water and oil and shake up before each use. And that's it. It smells really good. It's non-toxic, safe for dogs, horses, babies, elderly, and it smells like cookies. I like that. Anyways, I hope you love it. Apply as needed. Bye.